These high-temperature plastics are the foundation of modern manufacturing, handled with precision in this massive distribution hub. This high-speed uncoiler feeds the stainless steel sheet directly into the automated surface quality inspection system.
A focused red laser line scans the reflective steel surface, revealing microscopic textures and flaws with pinpoint accuracy.
Vibrations shake the structure as the grain pours in, a testament to the sheer scale of the operation.
In this state-of-the-art facility, automation takes center. The meticulously organizes components.
Precision engineering in
In a single, powerful motion, the hydraulic press descends, transforming the flat steel disc into a deep, cylindrical pot. Utilizing a hydraulic press, the flat steel disc is rapidly deformed. The material stretches and flows, forming the distinct cylindrical pot shape under extreme pressure. The precision of the CNC machine is unmatched, trimming the excess material with surgical accuracy. The metal shavings
The automated welding arm approaches the seam with pinpoint accuracy.
The freshly laid weld bead undergoes a dramatic thermal transition, the intense orange glow fading as the metal rapidly cools and contracts.
As the housing rotates, the spray gun releases a cloud of powder particles. These particles are drawn to the metal.
In this extreme close-up, the powder coating particles are drawn magnetically to the surface, creating an ultra-durable finish.
The powder-coated housings enter the curing oven, where intense heat transforms the material. The viscous amber liquid settles into the mold, releasing trapped air bubbles as it begins the crucial transition from liquid to solid.
Here we see the automated stretch test, ensuring the gasket meets the rigorous quality standards.
Using specialized micro-soldering, the technician bonds the thermal sensor, creating a durable connection essential for the heating plate's function.
Utilizing precise vacuum suction, the automated nozzle rapidly secures the microcomponent onto the solder pad, a critical step in modern electronics manufacturing.
With meticulous precision, the worker slowly lowers the inner pot, ensuring flawless alignment with the housing shell before seating it firmly into place. The assembly preparation for the pressure regulation system requires meticulous organization of every valve and safety release component. This spring is the heart of the pressure safety valve. It must be compressed and locked into position with absolute precision to ensure reliability.
The specialized lid locking mechanism is engaged, securing the unit for high-pressure safety testing. Internal pressure builds rapidly now. The needle enters the danger zone, a critical threshold before catastrophic failure.
The bright backlighting reveals the intense convection currents swirling inside this chamber. Pressure.
The electrical function test ensures every unit meets strict safety standards. The startup sequence begins, initiating the automated functional test of the electronic controls and display.
This is the final checkpoint. Each unit is rotated and inspected by hand, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality control.
Here at the state-of-the-art facility, finished pressure cookers are rapidly moved into their retail packaging by synchronized robotic arms.
Here we see the stainless steel pressure cooker being precisely lowered into its protective foam casing.
The instruction manual provides a comprehensive guide, detailing safety protocols, usage diagrams, and even a selection of starter recipes. The secret to a stable load lies in the interlocking layers. This precise geometric arrangement maximizes stability for transport. The automated system begins its cycle, rotating the pallet as the clear film secures the boxes with high precision.
The pallets, each wrapped securely, are carefully maneuvered into the waiting trailers, ready for transport across the country. Precision engineering ensures the lid locks securely every time, a critical safety feature of the design.
Utilizing a macro lens, we examine the impeccable quality of the mirror-polished stainless steel. The camera defends.
Meticulously crafted from solid stainless steel, this steam release valve is the heart of the pressure system.
A meticulous process, resulting in the final product, fresh from the factory floor and ready for the home.